Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will walk you through the pairing process and setup of the wave motion sensor. To begin, navigate to the System menu, go to Menu, then select Settings, tap on Add Wave I/O and press Find Devices to start scanning for available devices. Now, take the sensor and gently twist open the side panel to access the internal components. Inside, you'll find the battery and a Set button. Press and hold the Set button for approximately 10 seconds, or until the LED starts flashing green. This indicates that the sensor is in pairing mode. A few moments later, the system detects the motion sensor. It will appear in the list as a new device. Click Add Found Device to pair it. You'll be given the option to rename it, but in this case we'll leave the default name. Click Save and Continue, then Finish to complete the pairing process. Once paired, the motion sensor is fully active. Every time it detects movement, the green indicator light will briefly flash to confirm detection. From here, you can use the motion sensor to trigger lights, activate alarms, or launch any other automation within your smart home system. That's it. The wave motion sensor is now successfully integrated into your system. Thanks for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.